Yes. At the moment, the SA Special Duties to the Imo State Governor, that's his Ford Ranger, plate number 574 IMG Hedge, white Ford Ranger, plate number 574 IMG Hedge, just arrived Royal Spring Palm, and he's here with thugs. He came here with hoodlums. He came here with armed robbers, and they are filled up at the back of his pickup truck. And with the way things are going, it looks like they are heavily armed. It looks like they are heavily armed. Chinas Awaneri and his thugs are heavily armed. And it seems like they have instruction to kill on sight. Chinas Awaneri, as a special duties to the governor, just arrived here with thugs, with hoodlums. That's one of them. That's one of them. That's Chinas Awaneri's car, plate number 574 IMG Hedge. 574 IMG Hedge. 574 IMG Hedge. Chinas Awaneri hails from Ukwe local government, Tukwi in Ukwe local government. And he is the special duties advisor to the Imo State Governor. Okay, he's retreating now. Chinas Awaneri is retreating with his hoodlums, with his thugs, with his armed robbers, with Ndoshin and Maha. There they are. They are running back. They are retreating. Plate number 574 IMG Hedge. He has offloaded some of the hoodlums, some of the criminals, and they are running away. There they are. They are running away, the hoodlums. It seems like they are trying to recoup because they've seen that they have been overpowered over here already. Ndo Shinama. The guys on red, those are his Chinas Awaneri's armed robbers. They are moving. Chinas Awaneri and his armed robbers, his hoodlums, criminals, rogues, just arrived here.
Yeah.
Okay, they are coming forward. The armed robbers are coming forward. Chinas Awaneri and his armed robbers are coming forward. The chief of staff is also here. Barrister Nnamdi Anye, the chief of staff, is also here. There they are. There they are. That's the vehicle. The Hilux you see over there belongs to the 574 Imo government house belongs to, this is one of their armed robbers, one of their imported goods. They are people they do every business with. There they are. You are armed robbers, your hoodlums, your thugs, your criminals. Look at them. They came here with, they are here, they are heavily armed. They are heavily armed with. Let's find out more. Okay. Huh? Chinas Awaneri is now tracking down with his knife. Chinas Awaneri is approaching here with his knife. Chinas Awaneri is approaching with a machete. They came with armed robbers, heavily armed robbers. They came here with armed robbers. Chinas Awaneri is advancing with a knife, with a machete. He's coming to challenge the senator representing Imo West and the APC Guba candidates in the 2019 election. They are smashing bottles here. They are smashing bottles. Chinas Awaneri and his armed robbers are smashing bottles. They have instructions to kill. Chinas Awaneri and his armed robbers have instructions to kill. They are throwing bottles. Please, Excellency. One day we are just undressed. His Excellency. His Excellency. They are attacking! They are attacking! That's Eric Kowakwe! That's arm driver Eric Kowakwe! Eric Kowakwe! The arm driver Eric Kowakwe just attacked! I'm the Eric Kowakwe! Eric Kowakwe just came here! Eric Kowakwe just attacked somebody with a knife! Eric Kowakwe attacked somebody with a knife! Eric Kowakwe! Yes, they just smashed the Rochas. They just smashed the Okorocha's car. They just smashed Senator Rochas Okorocha's car. Eric Kowakwe and China Sawande just smashed distinguished senator's car. Hope Uzodimma has turned Imo State to a war. Hope Uzodimma has turned Imo State to a war zone.
You have finished that one.
Hope Uzodimma has smashed. Hope Uzodimma has turned Imo State to a war zone. He sends his armed robbers, kidnappers, hoodlums.
Somebody who have no property in
Imo State.
Somebody who have no property in Imo State because he thinks he noticed that
they also smashed one of distinguished senators' vehicles. Eric Kowakwe and the China Sawande. If you can see, you will see stops flooding in here. Heavily loaded. The SS to the go. They are still throwing in bottles.
Come back. Any crazy.
China Sawande here, his stocks are shooting. Just like they did the other day, they are shooting at Imo people. Live ammunition. They are shooting at Imo people. They are shooting at Imo people. China Sawande here, his cultists. The men of the Nigerian police force who are working with the Imo State government are also shooting. The Commissioner of Police has denied the idea of this brutality on Imo sons and daughters. This is one of the vehicles that they shattered. These are the use of bottles. This is one of distinguished Senator Rochas' vehicle that they just. Ogadamu, watch your back. Those are his armed robbers. Those are Hope Uzodimma's armed robbers, his hoodlums. They have come in here shouting arrowments. These are hoodlums, armed robbers. One of them known as Tape. The government of the day is promoting armed robbery. Cultism. The government of the day is promoting armed robbery. Cultism. Chinasawaneri came in here and he pulled his Ishiago. Chinasawan, they are approaching, they are trying to use the, some of the armed robbers are trying to use the other gates to. Huh? Hmm?
This thing, eh?
Yes. The armed robbers are moving towards the other gate. The armed robbers are moving towards the other gate. The armed robbers sent by Uzodimma, Chinasawaneri, and let me tell you more people, Chinasawaneri, who comes from Ukwinyi, local government, is currently trying to vie for office for Federal House of Reps. They are coming in. Shoot! They are there. His Excellency. His Excellency. Biko. They are going through the other gates.
Wait, come, don't shoot them. Hey, don't shoot them, come.
Hold on,
come, you come.
Hey,
you come.
Let be there, commander.
Hello? Come, let this boy come.
Chinasa.
Hello?
Yes, I'm getting Chinasawaneri.
Go and feed them. Hello?
Yes, sir. They are shattering. That's Eric Owakwe. They are throwing bottles at the Senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That's Chinasawaneri, a cultist who Governor Uzodimma made S8 as her special duties. And that's Eric Owakwe, a renowned cultist who the state governor also. They are damaging Okorocha's vehicle. They are smashing Senator Okorocha's vehicle on orders of Chinasawaneri.
Break your head, but see how that guy use bottle. Chinasa, I said.
This was, I can't do it.
Come here. No, they just keep it. Those boys. No, I mean
Eric Owakwe hit a bottle on Dr. Zawuka's head. Eric Owakwe, who is the SA to the governor on youth affairs. Dr. Zawuka. Yes. They hit a bottle on him too. He's over here. Eric, yes, I have it on live video. More people are watching currently. Yes, Chinasa Waneri pulled his clothes. He pulled his clothes.
What's the picture there?
Yes, it's in the live video. More people are watching. What's coming? And Chinasa was shouting at roommates.
No.
Hope Uzodimma is promoting cultism in the state. They are lessing car tires. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's your vehicle. They are attacking doctors and workers. Dog. Please. Dog. His Excellency, please. Jesus. That's Chinasa Waneri. His Excellency. His Excellency, please, inside. There, the beacon inside, please. Those are boys that came in here with Chinasa Waneri.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
His Excellency.